Hi traders, just want to give you an update to the New Zealand dollar and its key trading levels. Now, we've obviously been having a very strong move up here, but the weekly trend here is lower top to a lower bottom. Are we coming up here to create a double top? Where we've been a fraction short of 64.68 this week, and we're already starting to reverse down on that weekly candle. So are we going to see a double top, or at least some form of 1 or 2 week reversal down from that area? So let's just drop down to the day chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the day chart now, we have had a heavy rejection on Monday, and it's worth noting that we're still in an uptrend. We've still got higher tops and bottoms, higher bottoms here, higher top, higher top. So whilst in my mind I'm thinking, are we creating a double top on the weekly chart, I'm still aware that the day chart is in an uptrend, so I am taking a slightly cautionary approach, but I am getting set to look for an opportunity to sell in line with that potential weekly double top. So there's 2 ways that we could look at this. We could firstly just wait for a breakdown to form a lower bottom, and then price comes up to form a lower top, and as a lower top forms, you're looking to get in for the longer term move down. Or we can look for maybe a price pattern on a lower time frame. So let's just drop down to the 4-hour chart and have a look for a pattern. Alright traders, on the 4-hour chart, over the last trading day we've been rather consolidatory here. We are holding it above this top here, which is a daily top at 62.89. Now what I'm looking at is drawing a fib from that high down to the low, so the high of the week. And I'm just looking at, let me get my drawing tool in here. There's last week's high here. I'm just looking at this as a possible little left shoulder. I'm looking at this as a head. We've declined down to a lower point on the 4-hour chart. So what I'm looking for is a movement back up and the possibility of a right shoulder forming here at the 79% level at 64.12. Now, as I said before, I'm very aware that the day chart trend is up, so what I'm going to do is wait for price to get up to there and then look for a failure on the 50-minute chart. I'm not just going to sell up there, because price may just now come up and blow straight through the area, because the day chart trend is still up. So I'm going to take a cautionary approach. I'm waiting for price to move up, trade up to the 79% level at 64.12, then can I see it hold and fail on the 50-minute chart? If I can, I'm going to look for an opportunity to sell for the move down, and then I'll try and hold that position for the longer term move down in line with that potential double top that is forming on the weekly chart.